morning, teacher. My name is Lady Carolina. I am a Business Administration student. El día de hoy voy a presentar mi rutina de calentamiento corporal. Iniciamos con un pequeño trote, el cual pues siempre va a ser importante para el calentamiento y pues como para entrar en avances de nuestros ejercicios. ¿Sí? Luego de esto, pues también podemos evidenciar que podemos hacer otro tipo de ejercicios que van a contribuir con nuestro desarrollo a nivel de ejercicio, a nivel corporal, a nivel de salud, los cuales van a ser muy beneficiosos para nuestro sistema cardíaco, para la respiración, para controlar los movimientos, entre otros. Experience of the world in motion throughout one of its inhabitants. My name is Lady. I am 25 years old. I am from Arbeláez, perhaps known for its fire festivals and December celebrations. I have lived in a rural area since I was a child, and I realized that it was been wonderful to be with my parents, grandparents, and uncles and aunts, as well as friends who are part of those daily experiences, because human values and principles are still preserved there. One of the experiences I had in my childhood was when I started going to school. I was used to begin at home every day with my mother and my father. Being an only child, I wanted their attention, and at that time I had to get used to being with other children and teachers who were strangers to me, which made a little afraid. At first, I remember that when I was in the classroom, I could think about was saying my mother again when she came to pick me up. But as time went by, I began to see things differently. I met friends, and the teacher was no longer a stranger but become a special gift for me and my classmates with whom we finished primary school at what was for me the best school. Then came high school, where some of us decided to study at the same school and others to win different schools. Even though we had to separate into different classes, we kept in touch during breaks, sharing snacks and hanging together. I can say that it was also a good experience to meet more. I finished high school quickly, and at the end of the stage, a very important stage began for me, because the decision to continue my studies was the first thing that crossed my mind. So without was anything, I decided to begin my studies in technology at the National Learning Service, SENA, where I met new people who contributed significantly to my life project. We always worked as a team and management to be the best at what we did. In addition to this, we shared moments that we treasured together. Finally, I am now in the last stage of my professional career at business administration, and I can say that every experience in the past has happened for a reason, and that thanks to all my life experience, I have managed to head to this point where if I feel proud of my selfhood as my parents are proud of me. Always motivated to fulfill my dreams, improve my quality of life, contributed to my personal and professional development, and able to travel and see places I have always